So this is Crest Estate. We are right here in Enugu-OSHA expressway, and this road going down leads to the international spare parts market. Very soon I will take you there so you see the market.
Strategically positioned.
We are selling for just 3.5 million naira for residential and 7 million naira for commercial. That's the one facing the road. You know, we always know where the government is going and where the interest of the people is.
With my calculations, Crest Estate is going to give you high returns on your investment, and it's something you shouldn't miss.
A lot of spare parts dealers are going to come here to own a shop or to own a double shop or an executive or even workshop right here. If you come early, you'll be among those who can buy it for just 3.5 million naira, because we are looking at, by the time we are done with the clearing, it will be around 7 million naira. So the time is now. So this is the Enugu-OSHA expressway. So this is the one facing the road. That's the commercial plot. It started from here down there and moved inside.
You can build plaza in the commercial plots.
Now we are at the international spare parts market. Like I told you, it's just 1 minute drive to Crest Estate. So we are here at the international spare parts market, which is just 1 minute drive to Crest. Amazing. Like I told you, we know where the interest of the government is and where the interest of the people is. You know what international spare parts market means? It means that even in Anambra is going to come here to own a shop, to do business. Shops here are selling for 6 million naira for single shop. Then if you want bigger shops, the price keep increasing. With 6 million, you get 6 square meter size for shop. Okay. So my friends and my investors, so this is where we are. So invest now and be among the early birds. You know, the early birds always get all the ROI, so don't miss out. Okay, call me with the number somewhere on the screen. Let's get you started.